Do you know who this is? His name is Magneto. His name sounds a little bit like magnet, doesn't it? Take a look at this video. Oh no! Missiles and other weapons have been fired at them. Are they going to die? What? How did he do that? He stopped all of the missiles. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? He has this ability because he can use his magnetic powers to control anything made of metal. And what a coincidence! In this video series, we will talk about magnetism and electricity. Before we start, take a look at the following table. In the first row, we have a light bulb, and in the second row, we have a magnet. The light bulb here is supposed to represent electricity, so in the first row, you can write, "What do you know about electricity?" And in the second row, you can write, or you can draw if you like, something that you know about magnets. When you finish that, you can continue with the video. Before we get into all the content, let's look at some of the key words. Static electricity. Static electricity is a build-up of positive or negative charge in an object. Conductor. A conductor is a material through which an electrical charge moves easily. Electric current. An electric charge in motion. It means that electricity flows through something. Insulator. An insulator is a material through which an electric charge moves slowly. Series circuit. A series circuit is a circuit in which an electrical charge can flow in only one path. Magnetism. Magnetism is a force that acts on moving electric charges and magnetic materials. For example, perhaps this train uses magnetism to propel it forward. Parallel circuit. A parallel circuit is a little bit different from a series circuit. This kind of circuit is a circuit that has two or more paths through which electric charges may flow. Finally, electromagnet. An electromagnet is a magnet that works only when electricity powers it. Let's do some quick math using percents. Electrical energy is measured in units called kilowatt hours. About 90% of the energy given off by an incandescent light bulb is heat. The rest is light. On the other hand, about 25% of the energy given off by a fluorescent light bulb is heat. The rest is light. Now look at these questions and try to answer them on your own. Number 1. If an incandescent light bulb burns for 1000 kilowatt hours, how much energy is given off as heat? Remember, about 90% of the energy given off by an incandescent light bulb is heat. The rest is light. Question number 2. If a fluorescent light bulb burns for 1000 kilowatt hours, how much energy is given off as heat? Remember, About 25% of the energy given off by a fluorescent light bulb is heat, and the rest is light. Question number 3. Which bulb produces more light in the same amount of time? What is static electricity? Tiny atoms make up all matter. Small particles make up atoms. Some particles have a positive charge. Others have a negative charge. Some particles have no charge. Charged particles can move between objects. Then the objects become charged. If an object has more positive particles than negative particles, it has a positive charge. And can you guess what will make an object have a negative charge? Well, it's the opposite. If an object has more negative particles, then it has a negative charge. Static electricity is a buildup of positive or negative charge in an object. Please look at this. The plus and minus symbols represent charged particles. Plus is a positive charge. Minus is a negative charge. So, a very simple question. Does this balloon have more positive or negative particles? You can count them. There are 4 negative particles and 2 positive particles. Therefore, this balloon has more negative particles than positive particles. It has a negative charge. Electrical force. Charged objects act in certain ways. 2 objects that have opposite charges attract each other. They pull toward each other. Objects that have the same charge repel each other. Oh, wait a minute. What does repel mean? It means they push away from each other. The pull or push between 2 charged objects is called an electric force. An electric force gets stronger as charged objects get closer together. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful, and I hope you learned something. Remember, we don't have face-to-face classes these days, but learning never stops. Take care and see you next time. Goodbye.